Hi, I'm Sandy Arthur, and as the studio director for North America, I'm excited to tell you about the seminars we offer our professional hairdressers at the Wella studios in North America.
Cutcraft is designed to enable all stylists to grow their cutting skills from the ground up. For hairdressers new to cutting, this program will empower you with the knowledge and technical ability to execute any cut.
For more experienced hairdressers, this program will reground you in our foundational cutting, but also offer tips to grow your cutting business. No matter how new or seasoned you are in the craft of cutting, this program will enable you to take your craft to the next level.
Cutcraft includes daily hands-on workshops, giving you ample time to practice refining your techniques. We'll start with the great challenge of executing a perfect line. Next, we'll focus on building shape through graduation, then create shape through layering, and finally we bring it all together by incorporating everything from the week to create a cut based on your client's needs.
This is a class that can be taken multiple times. Each time you go through this program, you will learn something new. Because this is a seminar that has live models, each time you attend, you will be faced with a new opportunity for technical growth. To further expand your toolbox of cutting techniques, we suggest taking Sebastian Cut Color and Style.
We're here to help you create a transformational learning plan that's personalised to your unique experience. We look forward to seeing you at a Wella studio soon.